Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to download Geometry Dash on your PC, and it will be the easiest way to download this platform or application on your PC. So first of all, you just need to be search Steam. Once you search it Steam in Google, then you will get this option, this application. Just click over here in the link, and then you just need to be download this Steam from that place. Once you download it or logging here, you have the option for store. Just click over here in the store, and here you need to be search this Geometry Dash and click over here, and then you will get these apps in your Geometry Dash, and now you can easily download it from that place. Or if you already download the Steam application, then go over here, and again in the application just go in the store, and similarly you need to be paste your Geometry Dash keyword and search over here, and then you are allowed to download it in your PC. So the process is really simple. I hope you love this video, and if you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.